How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also doing excellent. Thank you so much for asking. So, behind you, there are so many maps. Are you teacher?
Yes, yes, I teach English.
Oh, wow, that's a great. Okay, so
Yeah,
before proceed our conversation, may I know about you?
yes, of course. My
Mm-hmm.
name is Seekhen. I am from UP. I am postgraduate in English, as well as I have learned British and American English from British and American teachers. I mean, from foreign teachers. And
Okay.
I like playing badminton and reading English books, watching English news channels, especially for learning new sentences and words. So that's a summarized introduction of mine.
Wow, that's a great to know about you. You are learning accent, American or British, right?
Yeah, ma'am, of course.
Okay, so how long have you been learning?
For the last 6 years, you can say.
No, only accent. Not, I'm not talking about your speaking journey. Just
Accents, actually, around you can say around 1 year ago.
okay,
Yeah,
okay. So you are running your own institute, right?
not institute, but at this time I make some videos and upload on YouTube channel. Actually, I was not free, but some students were requesting me for teaching them too.
Okay,
And
so
very soon I will start.
you are also YouTuber.
Yes, of course you can say.
Okay, what is your channel name?
Global English Zone, Zone. Zone.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
Okay,
where I have told the rules and regulations of different speakers, foreign speakers, how Russian people speak, how Chinese speak, and where they make mistakes, and how Japanese people speak, Portuguese speak, Portugali that we call. In this way,
mm-hmm.
Korean people from Korea, how do they speak?
Okay, you upload this all kind of content.
Yeah, I have uploaded all these things there on YouTube. Actually, ma'am, you know one thing? I have learned all these things from my American teacher. There is a teacher, American English trainer, who teaches in Los Angeles, America. I'm sure you'd have heard the name of this city of America. So she teaches there, and she teaches, great people. I mean, rich people, especially singers, heroes, actresses, and I mean, big personalities. They go there for learning English, standard American English.
Okay, so can you repeat name? Which teacher of America?
Lisa Mosin.
Lisa Mosin. Okay, yeah, I heard this
Yeah,
name.
yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. The
But
teacher
right now,
recommended me
I'm
for
not
buying some.
remembering. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, please go on.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm not remembering by her face, but I listen this name.
Yeah. The teacher recommended us for buying some books for understanding standard American English, how to speak it, how to understand it.
Mm-hmm.
So in this way,
Can you
like
uh,
as we say, where does your brother work? Normally we say in this way, but they say, where does your brother work?
Oh, wow. Okay. This is the American
Yeah.
accent, right?
Yes, of course. American
Can me
and in
tell,
British,
can you tell me in British? Yes.
British, uh, where does your brother work? Where does your brother work?
Okay. So,
Yeah.
have you ever tried to speak like a native speaker?
Yes, of course. I have talked with them
Okay, that's a great.
from England and from America too. Both the videos are uploaded on the channel.
All right. Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, you did not introduce yourself.
Yes, sure. As you know that my name is Suman and I am from Delhi. Originally, I am from also Uttar Pradesh, but I raised in Chandigarh. Right now, I am connecting with you from Delhi. And I have also done graduation and NTT diploma. Currently, I'm doing masters in English literature. Simultaneously, I have also
Okay.
running, yeah. Simultaneously, I have also running a YouTube channel which name is Learn English with Suman. Over there, I uploaded English conversation video. Yes,
Okay.
that's all
So
about.
you are also doing you are also doing masters in English.
Yes, yes, right.
Ma'am,
I
who
took
is your
admission
who,
first year. This is my first
who
year.
is your who is your favorite English writer? English writer?
English writer. Okay. Shakespeare is my favorite English writer. And
Shakespeare.
your?
And
Yes.
no, I love
What is
Wordsworth.
your favorite?
My favorite poet, Wordsworth. You know William Wordsworth?
Williams?
Wordsworth.
Yes, yes, I know.
Yeah,
Okay.
I like him.
Okay. So right now you live in America or you are from UP?
No, no, no. I am in UP at this time. Actually, I learned all those things from on online.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
I did not go
What is
anywhere.
your short term or long term goal?
Goals. It was my second goal. Like I wanted to speak English, and almost I have
Still
got
you
it. I can say.
still you are speaking. Okay.
What? Sorry, I could not.
You are saying my second goal is to speak English. So that's why I
No, no,
reply
no.
you. Mm-hmm.
It
Okay.
was my second goal.
Okay. All right. Now I got it
Uh,
your point. Mhm.